I don't know if you can see that. There's an X, an error. I heard a beep, and the only thing I could do right now is plug in my camera so we can get this to the computer. USB connection, and the file opens up blank. So the only thing I can do right now is come here, turn my camera off, press it on, and see if that corrects. So there we go. There's my files. Shot 4K 60 frames per second, a few videos. And yeah, I should have formatted my card, which I did already yesterday, and I had a full format. Go figure. That's a GoPro.